Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Update your device and enable FaceTime, camera, microphone, and screen recording permissions. Once done, place or accept the FaceTime call and make sure audio is working. Now you take the first action. Tap the FaceTime tile or control center and look for Share Play or Share My Screen. Do this immediately. You need an active call for the option to appear. If Share My Screen is grayed out, check permissions again and confirm both devices run compatible OS versions. You now start the detailed execution. Tap Share My Screen and wait the brief countdown. This prevents accidental taps. Once sharing begins, switch to the app or content you want to show. Make sure audio is set correctly. FaceTime shares system audio for videos unless you mute it. If you need to highlight an area, use touch or pointer controls on supported devices. While sharing, you can enable picture-in-picture so you remain visible to participants and continue navigating multiple apps without interrupting the stream. Finish by tapping Stop Sharing or ending the call. Verify someone confirms they saw your screen to ensure success. If it doesn't work, try a focused troubleshooting step. Toggle screen recording and FaceTime permissions off and on, then reopen FaceTime. If that still fails, force quit FaceTime and restart your device. This clears permission handling glitches. As a last resort, switch to a wired or stronger Wi-Fi connection and reattempt sharing. These steps fix most problems because they reset the permission states and remove transient network or app faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.